Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Good to see you all again. I got to start off by saying this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. So let's be entertained. Respect or disrespect? That's really what we saw here. See, as we trend in a channel, we respect that channel. We warrant being able to trade in that channel and have a push up. But what we see over here, disrespect, disrespect, disrespect. And what happens if we disrespect channels? Well, obviously we get disrespected right on the way back down, just hammering through all of these channels, right? Disrespect, disrespect, disrespect again today, because we spent no time in there. We didn't consolidate. We didn't prove that we were worthy to be trading in those channels. And I think it was just a case of volume exhaustion, really. I mean, we were hot. We were pushing hot. People made some money. This play, I know some are saying it's a short squeeze. It could be a short squeeze, but I don't know if it will be. So I'm not playing it like it's a short squeeze. I'm playing it on a momentum play. I think that as long as we're trending with volume and in the right direction and we're seeing those higher highs and lower lows, awesome. If we're seeing some nice setups in the call options, being able to get some gamma effect with us, awesome. But I'm not just sitting here holding this thinking when's the short's gonna cover, because we don't know if they're gonna have to. Really, it's a ticking time bomb to just see whenever the merger actually happens. But what I noticed I wanted to zero in on today was this channel that we've been trading in all day, right? Just ping pong and ping pong, ping pong. This red box here that we're in, that's my danger zone. I think there's a lot of supply and a lot of demand right there. We've seen it before. Day traders having, right, just $1.50 back and forth if they keep us in there. But it's the danger zone now because we have a couple of gaps. We have a gap below and we have a gap above. That gap below is sitting right around $8.50. So I got this danger zone at about 9.40. I think if we drop out of there with a couple of candles, there's a strong possibility that we're going to be filling that gap to the downside, down at 8.50, and then trying to get that momentum back up. Well, that's going to take some time, and how much time do we really have in the play? So we're going to either fill the gap to the bottom, but on the plus side there is a gap to the upside. So we're going to see how we trend in the danger zone. We're going to eventually hopefully break out of this falling trend line that we have here, as it just keeps ending at the end of the day and we don't get a real confirmation on what exactly is going to happen. So if we open up in the morning and we're down $9 or less, strong possibility we're going back to fill that gap on the downside. If we open up on the higher end, then it doesn't mean that we don't have to go down and fill that gap to 8.50. Obviously it could if it wanted to, but the higher we are, I think the better chance we have of filling that gap to the upside at 13.30 to 15.22. So we're really considering a $2 move, $2.50 move in either direction from right here. This is not the best situation to be in. I'm not here to hype you guys up. I'm not here to bring fear into this play. I'm just letting you know where we sit so that you can look at your own accounts and make your own decision as to what's your smartest move from where we are. If we break above this 11.11 with some momentum, I think that we could spend some time in this channel here from anywhere from 11.11 to 13.48. That would be all right. If we break down below this 9.40, I think we're going to be trading below 9.40, say 9.40 to $8 range. It gets a little scary if we fill that 8.50 gap because our next support's somewhere around $7, and that's a $1.50 move. So We got a lot on the line right now. If we're looking for some near future bullish action, we really have to see what happens in this channel between 940 and 11 bucks, and if and when we can break out of this. I would love to just see us open up tomorrow strong. But we got FOMC meeting minutes being released tomorrow. What's going to happen there? You know, are they going to be risk off all morning and we're just going to watch the SPY slowly trickle down, and then say in the afternoon we get that push? Possibly. We don't know, but it looks like it's probably been factored in. The SPY was down to what, 373, 370. I think it hit almost 370 and some change today, so we're down there. It has some room to definitely claw its way back. I think it's possible, but we don't really know what's going to happen there either. All we can do is just watch. But I did want to give you that update just to let you know what I'm seeing is I think from here we're 350 up, or we're $2 down. Risk to reward. You know, what do you want to do from here? Do you want to wait and see if there's a buying opportunity down below, or do you want to wait and see if it breaks out, get some strength, and then you'll chase it a little bit up here, hoping that, you know, we have some more upside? All that really matters is that you make a good educated decision in the play. I can't tell you what to do. Buy, sell, whatever. That's your call. You can use the information and compare it to your own charts and see what you think. But thank you again, guys, for dropping by and watching the video. If you wouldn't mind, just drop a like, a comment, or you can subscribe to the channel if you would. But as always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.